Hey everyone, I'm Erica, and welcome back to Rick's Review Hub, where we dive into the best gear to make your kitchen life awesome. Today, I'm super excited to talk about the Breville Commercial Super Q Pro Blender. If you're dreaming of silky smoothies, creamy soups, and pro-level blending without the hassle, this high-performance machine might be your perfect match. Stick around and grab it at the best price using the Amazon link in the description. Let's blend in. Let's break down the features that make the Breville Commercial Super Q Pro Blender stand out. This commercial-grade blender is designed for precision with a 68-ounce BPA-free pitcher, perfect for family-size batches or professional use. It boasts a powerful 1800-watt motor that crushes ice, nuts, and fibrous veggies with ease. The Super Q Pro features 12 speed settings and 5 one-touch programs: smoothie, green smoothie, frozen dessert, soup, and ice crush for effortless blending. Its unique blade and bowl system ensures consistent results, and the noise suppression technology keeps it quieter than most high-powered blenders. The digital LCD display shows time and speed, and the included tamper and scraper help with thick mixtures. All parts, including the pitcher and lid, are dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. It comes with a 20-ounce personal blender cup and lid for on-the-go drinks, plus a recipe book. The sleek stainless steel and black design fits any kitchen, and the 2023 model includes upgraded controls for smoother operation. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, this blender is a powerhouse at around $400, offering commercial-grade performance for home use. The 1800-watt motor blends anything smoothly, and the one-touch programs are beginner-friendly. Customers love the quiet operation. One reviewer said it's the quietest, powerful blender they've used. The personal cup is perfect for single servings, and the dishwasher-safe parts save time. It's versatile for smoothies, nut butters, hot soups, and even grinding grains, with a 10-year warranty for peace of mind. The sleek design looks premium on any counter. On the con side, the price is higher than budget models, which may not suit everyone. The 68-ounce pitcher takes up space, and small batches can be tricky without the personal cup. Some users note the plastic lid feels less durable than the metal base. The blades need careful cleaning, and the controls can feel overwhelming for beginners. It's heavier than standard blenders, so moving it might be a hassle. So should you buy the Breville Commercial Super Q Pro Blender? Absolutely, if you're a serious home cook or smoothie enthusiast who wants pro-level results with quiet operation and durability. It's perfect for those who value quality and versatility over budget concerns. The power, programs, and long warranty make it a top choice. Before I wrap up, please hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more reviews. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen, click the Amazon link in the description for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. It's an affiliate link, so your purchase supports the channel at no extra cost. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, please like, share, or subscribe. Let me know in the comments what kitchen gear you want to see next. Keep blending like a pro, and I'll see you in the next video.